सर काफ़ी सारे लोग पूछ रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स आपके और न्यू स्टूडेंट्स या न्यू लोग जो जुड़ना चाहते हैं कि इस वर्कशॉप में आप ऐसा क्या सिखाने वाले, व्हाट इज दिस वर्कशॉप ऑल अबाउट?
So September 12th, 13th, 14th we are having a specific workshop which is in the series of 5 elements. पिछले महीने हमारी वर्कशॉप हुई थी जिसका नाम था द अर्थ चैप्टर. हमने जियोबायोलॉजी, जियोपैथिक, स्ट्रेस एंड एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू अंडर अर्थ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. But when the earth energies manifest into the environment and into the people's vibratory pattern and the whole environment gets affected, that's the time when we need to learn how these energies are moving in this Akash, this vacuum, this ether. The name of the workshop is the Akash chapter. So what do you mean by Akash chapter in architecture and Vastu? So the idea is that we need to learn all the manifested energies which has been floating around in this environment, in this space which is related to our habitats, plants and animals, farming, fruits, vegetables, everything is in this global vibratory pattern. And this global energy is what we are trying to learn in these 3 days of the Akash chapter. Now when we say global energy, we are also talking about tangibles and intangibles. We are also talking about certain metaphysical, physical and physical, certain entity based energies, certain hidden vibrations which are animal in nature, certain vibrations which are divine in nature. So we will be learning of good and bad vibratory patterns connected in terms of human vibrations, animal vibrations, and also sometimes which we call curse, sometimes we call griefs, sometimes we call vibratory pattern which is not seen, unseen vibrations. So all unseen vibrations are environmental level. Now we will also connect in this chapter the Vedic and religious terminologies with science. So what exactly are the Vedic phenomena? How do you do a Vastu Shanti? What exactly is spiritual entities created for betterment of environment in our olden days? How Brahmins and non-scientific people who are from the religious and spiritual background, they are very important, but how do they connect us through the science, telling us religions and metaphysics and some faith and belief systems? So these are things which we need to explore, and in these 3 days we will be talking about all these energies which are intangible and tangible, which are above the earth energy, which are from Brahmanic and Bhogolic level, and also we will learn how to resolve them. What are the rectification techniques, what are the remedies, how do you install it, and along with that what are the processes to diagnose it. So it will be an integrated workshop of how, why, when in energies of intangible and tangible levels and environment. So Akash and ether is going to give us a creative vacuum vibrations which we will be exploring in these 3 days. We will be learning the energy grids, unseen vibratory patterns, intangibles, and a lot of hidden things we'll be exploring. Thank you.